chocolate. Can't wait to eat this. You wouldn't even know that is part of their slender plan designed for weight loss. You can just keep eating it, eating it, eating it. I think they made this a little too easy. Let's do this, guys. Let's give it a go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and if you're new here, I share lots of delicious home-style recipes as well as baking tips and tricks. And today I have a special delivery. Now this one is going to surprise you, because it sure did surprise me. Are you ready to have a little unboxing? You ready to see what's in here? I'm going to tell you, give you a hint, it's something that we can bake. So my friends at Protein World here got in touch because there's a few things that they thought might be beneficial to me and my subscribers. So let's open it up and have a look, see what we've got in the box. Pretty excited to open this one. I've been waiting for it to arrive. So it has come from the UK. These guys are based in England and they do worldwide shipping. Okay. Let's check this out. Okay, so we've got some plant-based protein bars here. These ones have peanut butter. Yum. These will be really, really good. Okay, and then this is the stuff that I've been really excited about and I really wanted to show you. So we have here a cake mix. And what's this one? Oh yeah, this is a mug cake. Awesome. They're gonna be amazing. I can't wait to eat these. I think I'm probably gonna make this one right now. So protein has been a really big part of my diet, especially since becoming pregnant with twins. I've been trying to increase my protein intake, and protein is not always easy to prepare all the time. You can't always just be cooking up like, you know, a chicken breast. So having these bits and pieces around the house, ready to grab and eat, is the perfect option. A lot of people are looking for more nutritious, healthier, leaner baked good options. So if you're someone that is more conscious about that kind of thing, definitely give these a go. They're full of protein, they're non-genetically modified, and they've got natural ingredients. This one is awesome. This is a velvety vanilla cake. You do have to add a few ingredients to them. So this one, for example, you just add some water, some eggs, and some butter and oil, and then you use 250 grams of the cake mix. So you can probably get a couple of cakes out of this one, because this is 500. Yep, so you can get 2 cakes out of this. And then this one here, oh yes, chocolate. Can't wait to eat this. This one, all you have to do is grab a mug. I'm gonna need some coconut oil, it says here, and a little bit of plant-based milk, and then chuck it in the microwave with some of this mix. So let's get this one going, and let's get eating ASAP. Now I have made mug cakes before. They are always so easy to make, always super delicious, and you can have them straight away because usually they're just in the microwave. This one is no different. So literally all I need to do here, it says melt some coconut oil in a mug, add some of this, a couple of scoops, and add some plant-based milk. And then I've got to pop it in the microwave for 50 seconds. So let's grab a mug, grab those bits and pieces, and get eating. I'm excited to smell this mix. That smells good. Okay, 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil in my mug. So it says to melt this, so I'm just gonna pop it in for like 10 seconds. All right, now 3 scoops of my mix here. So this is a great option too if maybe you're like on a weight loss plan or trying to lose weight and looking for something a little bit sweet. 3. Now I have to do 2.5 scoops of my milk. All right, let's give this a mix. The thing about this is too, if you wanna have it nice and clean like it is, it's gonna taste good just like it is. However, if you wanna get naughty, if it's like your treat day, then you can just add a little bit. Add a little bit of dark chocolate. Add a little bit of icing sugar. That's the baker in me. That was pretty easy. Okay, let's microwave it 50 seconds. Done. Well, that was super, super fast. 50 seconds and we are ready to eat. Smells so good. Now my husband wants one, so I'm gonna whip up another one. They're just so quick and easy. So I'll do that now and then we can have a mug cake party. This one's nice and hot, straight out of the microwave. Right, so I'm just gonna give these a little dusting with icing sugar and then it's time to eat. Now that icing sugar that you just saw, completely optional. I'm just pregnant with twins, so any opportunity I can get to get a bit more in. I can only use that for so long. Let's do this, guys. Let's give it a go. Oh yeah, that is very easy to eat. Going down an absolute treat. Yum. This is my third mouthful already. So hard to stop eating it. Honestly, you wouldn't even know that is part of their slender plan designed for weight loss. You can just keep eating it, eating it, eating it. I think they made this a little too easy. Thanks so much for joining me in the kitchen today, guys. I hope that you have found these products nice and interesting, just like I did when I found them. So yeah, check them out. We've got mug cakes, we got other cakes, we got protein bars, there's other vitamins and heaps of things on their website. If you're looking to sample some of the products for yourself, as I said, worldwide shipping, and you can get 40% off with my discount code. That's right, 40%, how good is that? So you've got no excuses. I will leave that code in my description box for you. Time to finish off my mug cake here. So good. If you do like this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell as well because I have a new video coming out every single week. Thanks again, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.